Hi guys, I'm Giles Robinson and I'm here to talk to you about a revolutionary new product called Dream Filter. Dream Filter is a pre-shampoo treatment that actually removes the metals and the minerals that can build up on your hair, dull and discolor it. What a lot of people don't realize is just the water that you wash your hair with from the tap can actually contain a lot of these minerals and metals that over time is actually building up on your hair, causing a lot of this discoloration. So these metals and minerals can include magnesium and calcium that can weigh your hair down, and iron, copper and manganese that can distort the color, and we get rid of them all. These minerals and metals can wreak havoc with your services in the salon. This is a great item to keep at your retail to be prescribed to your client for their home care. Now, when it comes to usage, it's safe enough to use every single time you wash your hair, or you can use it once a week, once every couple of weeks. It really depends on the water that your client's hair is being exposed to. Say your client's swimming every day and there's a lot of chlorine, this is going to be great to pull off any of that unnecessary kind of chlorine on the hair, or if they live in a place where there's lots of hard water or well water and they're constantly suffering with the discoloration. It really is up to you recommending and prescribing that for your client. Dream Filter is a great solution to a very common problem we're all experiencing in our salons day in and day out. I love it and I know you guys are going to love it too.